Hello guys, welcome back to another video. How are you doing today and how is today? So in this video I tell you these two main things. First, how to create Gmail account, and the second is how to create a channel with Gmail ID, or how to sign up Gmail on YouTube. And after creating your Gmail account, guys, you can click here on the profile and on the Gmail account, and swipe below. You can see what is your new Gmail account. So you can see after creating your Gmail account, these are my new Gmail IDs who I create before some days. So you can see your new Gmail after agree the last step. So next step is that how to sign in YouTube with Gmail ID. So just go to YouTube app and enter your password, and you can see here this is my YouTube dashboard, and you can see here this is my YouTube dashboard, and just click on the right side below my profile. You can see our personal profile, so just click on the profile button, and you can see here where my screen shows that view channel. So you can see here on your screen create a channel. So just click on the create a channel, and you will screen will be loaded to create a YouTube channel. So it is very simple. Just need to enter your YouTube channel. Just you can enter your channel, and you can attach you can select a profile picture on the upper side. So just click on create. So your YouTube channel is ready. Just simple steps you can take, so which I can also want to see you want to show you. So just it is very simple step. Just Gmail is some difficult to create a Gmail account. So YouTube channel is very easy. Just upload good videos to grow your YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for the watching until the end. So I am on the screen of my mobile. So you can go on Gmail app, or other you can go on Google app. So I am going to Google. So simply sign in with your password and every other, and click on the, you can see on the right side of the screen my profile is appear. So you can you need to just click on profile, and just click on the first Gmail which one will be signed in your device before, or other you can click on the Gmail ID. So swipe down, these are my personal Gmail. So you can see at the end here is the point add other accounts. So just click on the add other accounts. Just sign up with yours. Just click on enter your password, and just you can see next option is just Google. So you just need to click here Google. Just wait few seconds to load your for the creating our new Gmail. Just enter password, and checking info is loaded. So just need wait. So you can see here page. So you just need to click here on the create account below. Create account for my personal use. Click on the for my personal use, and here is this is the first point, or here first line. You can see here you can write our personal name. Suppose my complete name is Junaid Ghafoor. So you can write here Junaid, and in the second surname you can write here your father name. Like my father name is Ghafoor. So my complete name is that Junaid Ghafoor. So you can write like here like that. So just click on the next button, and you can write here, or what is your date of birth, basic information, enter your birthday and gender. So you need to write correct birth date which match with your identity card, and you can use identity card of your any family member. So you can use here correct date. You can use the further date without ID card same. So but I suggest you to write correct date, because some things want correct date. So like my date is for my 4, or here you can see month option. Here 5 my date of birth was 4 May 2020. 20 oh sorry 2005 mean 2005. So I can write here 2005 and select gender. I am male, so I click on the male button and click on next. You can see here my Gmail is almost ready. It previous option was second option, and it is third option. You can see here, so you can click on the suggestion Gmail, like your Google can suggest you some Gmail IDs to continue on the next option, next button. So I want this second Gmail, so just click here and click on the next button. So this is my personal Gmail. You can take a screenshot, or you can remember, or here I write password. So my password is so this is my password. I write my password, so you can write here our personal password to use our Gmail IDs. Okay, remember that password, don't forget to remember password. Just click on the next button. This was third option, third join us step. And you can see here my add phone number. You can see here my Gmail is almost ready. You can yes I you can click here on the yes I am in. So if you can click on the yes I am in, so you need to attach a recovery phone number. So I don't suggest you to click on the yes I am, so you can click on the skip button on the left side. So click on the skip button, and you can see here your complete Gmail account is ready. So this is my Gmail, Junaid 526 gmail.com. This is my complete Gmail. So you can take here screenshot and click on the next button. Your Gmail is almost ready, and you can see here, just click swipe below and click on the I agree, and fourth step is completed. And this is next further options. Basically five few steps was for first, and you next just click on that some things. So just wait for the loading. And you want to second learn that how to sign up Gmail with YouTube channel, and how to sign in YouTube with Gmail ID. So in this step you need to go in the YouTube app or YouTube Studio app on the computer or your mobile phone. YouTube app, simple. So go to YouTube app and click on the right bottom on the below, or will be upper side. I want to ask you to click on the your profile, up or down. So click on the profile, and you can see your Gmail ID, one which you create before coming to there. So you can see your Gmail ID will be appear on upper side on the screen. So just a small line will be written under the your Gmail ID. Click here to create a YouTube channel. So just click on the profile or the Gmail ID. So you a page will be loaded, and you can see on the screen YouTube page will be loaded, like create your channel name, and create our YouTube channel username, and other just will be you can see here YouTube channel link will be appear. Other just my complete mean is that you just need to click on the profile, click on the create a YouTube channel, and write any beautiful and unique name of your YouTube channel. So click on the YouTube channel and write some your personal opinion you can use to write your YouTube channel name. And but I want to suggest you to create unique YouTube channel, because unique YouTube channel will be appear on the first search tab. Because if you use any something name, and but this will create problem in the searching tab to YouTube channel. So my mean is that if some one person search your YouTube channel to subscribe or watch your videos, if I suppose that my name is Junaid and my channel name is Junaid, and my channel name is Ghafoor, mean that suggest I suppose that my channel name is Ghafoor, but I want but something or someone write in the search tag just Junaid. So it's exactly mean that my YouTube channel will not appear on the YouTube. And if someone write my half YouTube channel names, so my YouTube channel will not appear on the screen. So remember that create YouTube channel with unique name to create or complete YouTube channel with everything clear. So something I will clear on the screen. Okay, just wait. Something it is simple, but some people, some childrens and some males, females don't know how to create Gmail account, how to create Facebook, oh sorry, how to create YouTube account. So these are the problems how you can face. It is simple, but first time when you create, you can see something different, but it is very simple. So thank you so much to watch until the end. Uh, and please tell me in the comments below what you want in the next video. You can tell me I want to create some videos on Google Ads, Google Coupon, and every Google things, Google Ad and Google AdWord and Google Coupon reward and everything. I want to create videos on this, so you can suggest me in the comments below. I will wait for the comments of everybody. So if I see many comments on the Google ads or Google many other things, so I create many videos on this. Okay, so you can tell me in the comment section. I will create more videos on your personal opinion topics. Thanks so much.